Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I have two Chanel items to unbox, so I'm going to get right into it. I couldn't wait. I actually already opened these, but so it's not really a true unboxing. I usually try to do true unboxings, but I really wanted to open these as soon as I got them. So this one, oh, there's just the receipt. And this is the ribbon. I didn't bother putting it back on this box. So this is the dust bag. And the care booklet is here. So you can see it is an SLG. And to reveal, this is my new 19C Tiffany blue lambskin flat card holder, and this is the one with the, hopefully that's picking up on camera, it's with the glittery CCs. So there's instead of just the solid metal CC, it has enamel in it with some glitter, so it's really pretty and unique. If you have watched my channel for the past little while, I have some of the Tiffany blue SLGs in caviar, and I have the caviar medium large, but I also got the mini, the rectangular mini in the lamb Tiffany blue, and I love to have sets of a bag with matching SLGs, and so I decided, you know, I would keep my caviar SLGs as a set with my caviar bag, and then try to get some lamb SLGs to go with my lamb bag. And these ones do have the silver trim, so it does match the lamb mini because it is silver hardware. So now I kind of have a set for each, which yeah, I just like having sets. I don't know why. So yeah, this is just the flat card holder with the front pocket, a middle compartment, and here's the authenticity card. It is a 26 series, and then the two card slots on the back. And the lamb is very soft and really pretty. It's just, I love it with this glittery CC hardware. It's really, I don't know, special and unique. I really like it. I wish that they did this sparkly CCs on the mini. I think that would have been really pretty, but anyway, they didn't do that. But that is my first item. So put that to the side. So my second item came with the holiday packaging, so I wanted to show you guys that. So I did put it back on the box, but again, I have opened this because I was very excited when I first got it. So that's the Holiday Camellia box and the dust bag and care booklet. To reveal the Tiffany blue lambskin round coin purse, again with that glittery CC hardware. So I did have the caviar round coin purse in this color, and I had 3 other SLGs in the caviar, so when I was able to locate this, I decided to sell the caviar one because it just would have been silly to have the exact same style in caviar and lamb in the same color. So I did let that one go. So it is off to a new home, but I still have my other caviar SLGs. And so now I have these two to go with my lambskin mini. So I think that'll be a really cute set. And yeah, this lambskin is just really luxurious, and I just love those CCs with the glitter. So this one is a 27 series, and that's the interior, made in Spain. So that is my unboxing. So the 19C Tiffany Blue obsession has continued. I am so in love with this color. It is such a special color, and yeah, it's so me. So I'm just really happy to have found the pieces that I have, and I'm happy to have a set now with both of my bags in this color. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this piece I did source from a great seller on Instagram, and I will link their Instagram in the description box below, because they were awesome, shipped really fast, and yeah, I was just really happy with their service. They were very communicative, and yeah, I just would highly recommend them. So I will link their Instagram down below, but I just wanted to mention that. And yeah, if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.